Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you that toothpaste is basic in nature, and that's why we use toothpaste to maintain the pH of our that mouth, and it will protect that tooth. Okay, because if it is become acidic, it will decay that tooth enamel. That's why we use basic toothpaste to protect our teeth. First thing, I take that small amount of paste. Just take any that toothpaste. Okay, you can use any toothpaste. Okay, just take small amount, but white one that will give good result. So take small amount of toothpaste and add that normal water to prepare a aqueous solution. Now when we prepare that, see it has a foaming character. That's why I already prepared one. Say in that way I prepare one that aqueous solution of that toothpaste. Now first I'll show you it is alkaline in nature. See, I'm using that indicator. So as it is basic, it will turn that litmus blue. See, it turned blue. It looks white. This because see that paste is white. That's why. Now it is alkaline. That's why indicator turned blue. Now we are adding some lemon juice. See the change. It is acidic. After neutralization, excess acid present. That's why see it turned red. See, I use that lemon juice, that is citric acid, for that taste. So see, it is a neutralization reaction. Toothpaste alkaline in nature. So the indicator turned blue. Now when we add that citric acid, that lemon juice, neutralization takes place. And
thank you for watching. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment on the videos. Please subscribe my channel to get more chemistry related video.